In Manipur, there are around 28,000 differently able persons. Many of them are unhappy with the state social welfare department for not doing adequate welfare programs for them. A new organization called Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Persons located at Maklang Bazaar was inaugurated today. The center will work for the differently able persons of the state. This new institute cum rest center will provide vocational training and basic computer training to the differently able persons in the state. P. Sundar, who played an active role in the establishment of the institute, says differently able persons have been facing untold miseries and social stigma in their daily life. He said they have also been sidelined in the government policies with no proper measures implemented by the government for their welfare. He further said the organization will try and help the differently able persons of the state.
सरकार की सिद्धि कसु हाइब काना दे सरकार पारिबा खोगी कहतारे प्रजा की मिहुनी लरिबा मोय हुमफु सिद्धि differently able singidi moigi kok ta kasuk chang guduk sumande moi leibu khangum dong mande sen ha ganda di hojiki mokoi di ta sen ha ganda paisa da ngawba loi leigramni na differently able gi bu kari khalam doino moi da salete aina differently able loi ba khoi sinau sinda aina hajindingi di mokoi khoi manipur government gi na traga khoi leader sing dagi asa thambirunu.
Asem Surjit, a differently able person taking part in the inaugural function, said it will not be wrong to say that the state social welfare department has failed to address the issues faced by the differently able persons. He said the new institute cum rest center will definitely help address the issues faced by them, as many people like him face problem as they do not have the required skills to earn livelihood. He further said the institute will help differently able persons hone their skills and live an independent life.
Tabak khara di pire khadi phangi ba yawe adu madu du ne hekta khoi gi mi khoi lak kun kun tham lebi da natra khoi handicap si total khoi na haifet khoi na phangjaba report ta lising kuntre kunipalom lai re hai khoi total khoi handicap person je different level person je manipur da masiri record khatagi wani atopa mayam le ram ge ni 28,000 level je asi masi manung da mi taram kulama kuntra yang khai ba saurang na saw da sima thawak phangaga madu du khoi government na madu phajana mai pang benefit
In Manipur, many organizations are working for the upliftment for the differently able persons in the state. If these organizations get additional help from the state government, then the 28,000 differently able persons will surely have no complaint and can lead a normal life. With camera person Moinangthem Tarun Kumar and Bhakta Torambam in Imphal, then Shubham Sangeeta, Impact News.